Empowering communities through education. When I read this topic, I was a little perplexed on how to go on and what kind of a project I can make based on this idea. But then it struck me. This topic is one which is based on a real life problem, and if a successful project is made to solve this, it can help societies and educational communities in real life. So I decided to build Alpha Ed Assist. Alpha Ed Assist is a startup idea along with a working prototype which features an AI powered natural language processing chatbot model which will help you answer all your queries related to opening your own educational institution. And it also features a startup portfolio page where you can interact with different startups and see details and tags on what all they provide and how they can financially or administratively or socially sponsor you. So without any further ado, let's get to the actual working.
So first of all, let's discuss about the user interface of my app. This user interface was created using Figma, and this is a working prototype in Figma along with workable links and models. So when we click on highlights, it scrolls to the highlight section, and this prototype features an orange theme with some secondary color as green. And we see some aesthetic rectangular boxes here along with some blobs that add to the aesthetic of the website. So now an overview: AI education chatbot. These are some services offered by us. So the first one is the AI education chatbot. You can get all your queries cleared regarding opening your own educational startup or something like that. Another highlight is that you don't need to sign up. You can just directly go over to the services. The third service we offer is the sponsor portfolio. So what we basically do is we verify sponsors, and after that what we'll do is we lay it out on the portfolio page so you can connect with them, WhatsApp them or visit their websites. More on that later. So about us, this is the about us section which showcases the founder, which is me, and it's a little blob of what we are doing. Alpha Ed Assist is a startup that aims to empower educational communities by providing them with the right tools. Okay, so that was our landing page. Now let's head over to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard with some really beautiful and aesthetic rectangles in blue, white and blue, green and orange with a white background, and some little animated images taken from Undraw, which provides free illustrated images without any royalty. So this is our dashboard, and these are the two services we talked about: the startup portfolio and the chat with Alpha AI. First, let's head over to the startup portfolio page. So these are the listings of our sponsors, all of them, and these are some tags related to how the sponsors will help. So if we deploy this app in real time, we'll be verifying sponsors responses through a Google form or something like that, and then hard coding them into our website or the Figma app as it is for now. So these are some real links to visit their website or send a WhatsApp message. So if we click on send WhatsApp, it will open the WhatsApp API. And because my language is selected as English, Hindi, so now if I change it to English, we can click on tap to share to chat on WhatsApp. But this is actually my number, so we'll be providing the real number. So now let's head back to the page. Yes, so basically the links are the same for everyone right now. This is a dummy website for the purpose. And now let's head over to the main section of our website, the NLP Chat AI. So now what we'll do is we'll head back to the dashboard to check out our Alpha AI chatbot. So do you have any questions about starting your own educational institution? Just click on chat with Alpha AI. So what this will do is it will take you to this Google Colab page. I've already opened it so that it connects to the RAM allocation runtime, and it connects to a hosted CPU and does not take much of the video time. So here it says welcome to Alpha Ed Assist. To run the chatbot, press Ctrl plus F9 or click on runtime run all. So what we'll do is we'll click on run all as it says, and hey, we have a chatbot up and running. So now let's test this. So now what we are going to do is that we'll be testing our chatbot. So we'll begin with a hi, and the chatbot responds perfectly saying, "Hi there, how can I help?" So suppose you want to start your own school and you say something like, "I want to start my own school," and the bot will respond perfectly. He says, "Hey, that's a great initiative. There are a few things you need to accomplish that," and it gives us a list of what all we can do. So now maybe you don't know about some legal formalities, so you write, "Is this even legal?" And then it gives you a response about the public schools in the USA providing basic education from kindergarten till 12th grade, and legally it's provided free of charge. And yeah, that's basically about it. So our bot responded perfectly in all cases. We can modify the JSON file with experts to fit the responses perfectly. The responses are correct, and thank you so much for viewing my submission.